Whoa. Who is it? It's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. And he's skating through St. Armand's this time. Only once a year does the wizard emerge in order to interact with the people in the town. Happy Halloween. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. And today the Rolling Wizard is rolling through. Oh, where's he going? Where's he going? I've got to follow this wizard. I don't know if he knows where he's going. On St. Armand's Circle in Sarasota, Florida. Oh, and the wizard jumped. How unbelievable, this wizard. What incredible skills he has. Happy Halloween. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween, and we wish you a happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween, skating through to wish a joyous and happy Halloween to all. Happy Halloween. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween, and he's delightful. Happy Halloween, everyone. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween, rolling through, eager to please, happy to cackle at whomever might interact with him. As you can see, it's a beautiful day to be a Rolling Wizard, skating through beautiful St. Armand's, Sarasota. I can barely keep up with this wizard. He's spinning, jumping. Happy, happy Halloween, everyone. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween, and he loves to roll. And he loves to be happy. He is happy. He is the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. Happy Halloween! Happy, happy Halloween. It's a beautiful time to be celebrating Halloween. I believe I know a jump you can do back here, wizard. Oh, where are you going? Oh, he's left me. Oh, where are you gonna go, wizard? Oh, you're going to the Columbia. Oh, it smells so delicious at the Columbia restaurant. Happy Halloween to all. Where are you taking us, wizard? Happy Halloween. Past the Columbia restaurant. Happy Halloween. It's a beautiful day to be celebrating Halloween. So happy. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Halloween.
He is celebrating Halloween a little early this year. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween, celebrating it and enjoying it. Where are you going, wizard? Happy Halloween. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. Where's he leading us off to? I don't know. Toward the causeway, it appears. Happy Halloween. Oh! Happy Halloween! Yeah! Well, that'll wrap it up for this Halloween edition of the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. What do you got to say, wizard? Until next time, he is so happy.